What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be putting on my exhaust. Before we put it on, we're gonna do the oil change. So that's what we're gonna try doing. But I'm sure it's gonna be easy with these glasses. So it's just not happening. We've been trying at it for like a good 30 minutes and we're both getting very upset. So I think we're gonna move on to the exhaust and then we'll worry about the oil change later. I just wanted to get it all done at once, but I'm not trying to be here forever. I'm just trying to do the exhaust.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
Oh my god, they're huge, bruh. So we got our instructions and our sticker. So we got the tips are crazy, muffler's crazy, seems easy. And we're gonna take off the old exhaust right now. I'm doing it with my hand. Never mind, I don't got that gorilla grip.
Then my hand is giving up in it. Let's get a little break.
Just gonna take a break underneath the car.
Tell them what we doing.
We're putting our WD-40 on the hangers. And just like that. We're Gucci. Now let's go take off the rest of the floor.
Good job,
I
dude.
take a relaxer because my neck is... So now, out with the old, this is the new. My car came with my initials. I don't know if you guys could tell. AB, Ariana Becerra, but y'all can call me Susie. Oh, that was slick, huh? You didn't even hear, huh?
Ariana Becerra something.
No, forget about it. Right, now it's time to go. We didn't know if we were supposed to take this off, but I think we are because we have a new donut gasket, which is over here. And so that's the one that came with the Corsa exhaust. So I'm assuming it's gonna match up with this and that, but it wasn't because of this. So we take this off. So hopefully we were supposed to take this off. And let's get into it now. We shouldn't have any problems. It's just installing at this point. Don't mind me, I'm dirty. I get dirty working on a car, so oh well. Not Alan, he hates getting dirty.
I got dirty already.
Yeah, and he's heartbroken. He's already trying to go take a shower. So we're gonna put the bolts in. There's gonna be the bolt, the washer, and then put it up in the hole. There. And then we're gonna put the nut Not going this way?
I think you're okay. Yeah, get into it.
We're gonna tighten it up. I think yeah. Okay, there we go.
Yes, sir.
Yay!
Good shit.
Oh, yes. Okay, we're Gucci. Now we're gonna put the Corsa muffler.
And we got muscles.
Dude, I think I have muscles.
We got muscles.
Okay. These are ginormous. Since this is the last tip, no gloves, we're pretty much done. So far, looks great. The experience was great. We're just gonna take off the plastic things and lower it and turn it on and hope it turns on. Holy crap, they look awesome, dude.
Yeah, that's dope.
They look so freaking nice. And there she is.
little before. No, just like a black hole.
We got the Corsa exhaust on. I'm keeping this box just because I paid a lot of money for this guy, so I'm keeping everything I can. Gonna do the first startup. Alright.
Look at this girl, she dirty as hell. Look at it. Girl, you dirty. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, just as last time.
It didn't happen.
Yeah, but we couldn't take off the bolt.
It's just too tight, and we're like at that point we were just messing up the actual bolt, and I don't want to mess it up anymore. I'm coming up on my miles already, and I just want to get this done. We got other stuff to do, so yeah, we're gonna call it quits on this one. But we have the Fumoto valve, so yeah, this is gonna be the last time we ever go because there's just no point. That's the whole reason why I got it for. And we're gonna get this shit done.
So we'll see you you guys over there.
We couldn't get it done, so what was your name?
Kaya.
All right. Yep. So she's all done. Thanks to the guys at City Garage here in Long Beach on Cherry and 10th, literally on the corner.